Hello, welcome again to my channel. And today I have made this art journal spread for you. So I hope you will watch my process and see how I made this cute little spread. And I like it. And I used actually some, napkins, napkin paper, the ones that are when you remove the layer with the motif on, you are left with the white tissue paper or the white napkin paper, and that is ideal to use for stamping. So I just used some of my stamps and made it as a nice background paper, and I'm adding it with my transparent gesso as usual, my homemade. I'm just gonna dry it, of course, and then I'm gonna use matte medium today instead of modeling paste, and I'm just using it with some spray from Dylysions, chocolate brown, and this stencil from Stamperia. So I'm just adding it here. It kind of got like a pink color from it. I didn't expect that, but I just roll with it as usual. And the residue or the leftovers I just use for, maybe I can use it someday. So I'm just adding it to another piece of paper. So now I'm spraying with my desert sand from Dylysions, yes. I think it's called desert sand, yes it is. And it's quite a lot, so I'm using water and then I'm removing some with my wet wipe. And I'm spraying with some rose quartz, also from Dylysions, because I don't know why, but I think these colors are pretty together. So these are from Marta Lapowska, Maremi Small Art, and actually kind of like vellum papers. But this one is more kind of like rice paper, also from Marta Lapowska. And the quote says, "Have no fear of perfection, you'll never reach it." And it's a quote apparently from Marie Curie, if that's how you pronounce it, I'm not sure. And here are some more vellum papers from Marta Lapowska, and I'm just adding them. I cut them out, of course, fussy cut them, and I'm just adding them with my transparent gesso also. On random places, I have no idea what I'm doing here, as usual. So this is some shading I'm making with my Derwent Inktense pen, color bark. I love the shading process. It's, kind of relaxing just to sit and put some shades on the objects. And it makes them more standing out a bit. And now I'm just using it with my fingers, to smudge it out. And this is a distress crayon from Tim Holtz, and I'm using it around the edges, and I'm smudging it, as you see, with my fingers. So it's a nice way to kind of frame your spread in a bit. And this particular crayon is called Walnut Stain. And it's also nice to use it for some more shading if you want a bit more. And now I'm trying my Uniball Signo white pen again for some detailing. But I have a hard time making it work, actually. I don't know why. Maybe it's kind of empty, or I don't know. It's not really working for me anymore. I loved it when I just got it, when it was newly bought. But now I'm actually going over and trying my gel roller instead. And it actually works better. Gel roller isn't my favorite. I usually like Posca better, but it kind of worked here. And I'm just, drawing it randomly to make some interest of the page, of the spread. And now for some splashing with my white Posca pen, because I can't live without Posca pen. So now it's done, and I think it's quite nice, and the texture is nice. Yeah, And here you can see all the white details close up. So why don't you try make something for yourself? It's so much fun to just work intuitively and see what you end up with. So thank you for watching today. I hope you will try something for yourself and maybe watch some more of my videos and subscribe if you want to. And leave me a comment also. Thank you. And stay safe out there. And bye.